Let's cook pork humba. Get your favorite cooking pot, wash, and put your pork in the pot with a little bit of water. Let's cook the pork until water is reduced or oil is coming out from the pork. While waiting, you should chop your garlic and onion. In my own version, I use Coke and oyster sauce to add more flavor to the pork humba. So while we are waiting for the pork to reduce, let's get another pot and boil our eggs. Our pork is now slightly reduced, so we should mix the pork properly while we wait for it to produce oil. We want to achieve that slightly golden brown but not too much brown since it's gonna make the pork too hard to eat. Our boiled eggs are now cooked, so I have here a bowl of ice and water. We are going to transfer the egg into the bowl of cold water. This actually stops the cooking process. When your pork is not producing its own oil, it's best to add a little bit of oil just to achieve that slightly golden brown. While we wait for it to cook, let's peel our eggs. Don't forget to drain the cold water. I really like to peel eggs. I don't know, I just find it super satisfying. Our eggs are now peeled and this is what we wanted to achieve from our pork. So let's transfer our pork first and let's start to saute our garlic and onion. Let's start first with garlic. Saute until slightly brown. Then let's add our onion. Let's saute until onion is lightly translucent. And then when you achieve that translucent onion look, we can then add our pork. Let's mix them properly so that the pork can also absorb that garlic and onion taste. After sauteing, we add our Coke or Sprite. It's really up to you which soda you would like to use. I prefer Coke since it adds that little bit of color. Then let's add 1 cup of water. Usually when I cook, I use the 1.5 liters and I won't add any more water. Then we add our oyster sauce. Oyster sauce really helps elevate the flavor of the pork humba. It gives that another level of taste. Then we add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and a bloop of vinegar or around 2 tablespoons. Then we add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or you can add more if you want a more sweeter pork humba. Let's add bay leaf and a seasoning just to give it more flavor. Then let's add salt and pepper to taste. You can adjust more based on your taste preference. Mix well, cover and let it boil. Once our pork humba is boiling, we can now add our eggs. Let's turn the heat into medium, cover, and let it boil until the sauce is slightly reduced and a bit sticky. Always check with a fork if your pork is tender enough. If not, you can add more water, cover, then taste for your preferred flavor. Once meat is tender and sauce is slightly sticky, you can now enjoy your pork humba with bahaw or your newly cooked rice. That is all for now. I hope you like our recipe for today's episode. Thank you for watching.